In this video, we're going to take a look at how to restore previous revisions of media resources, and then we're going to take a quick look at history mode, where we can restore completely deleted document pages as well as restore previous versions of document pages. So to start with, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this image file here, keep in mind what it looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and open up our Media Explorer. And with any of your media resources in your libraries, you can select the media that you want to take a look at, and it will go ahead. In this case, the image will show up in the preview pane over here. This is actually the current version of this particular media resource file. If I click the drop down list here, you'll notice I have a series of different revision restore points. So I can go ahead and select any of these. Maybe I want to go ahead and select one where I have a different version of it here. I'll see it in the preview pane. And then if I like what I see here, I can go ahead and restore it to that particular selected revision. So I simply click restore, and then anywhere I've used this image throughout my course, it will be restored to this selected revision. And then I'll simply click close, and you'll notice here it is. It's at that revision restore point. Now, we're going to go ahead and swap over to the project manager and look at another feature that can be valuable with helping you while you're editing your document or managing your document. It's called history mode. Now, in history mode, you have a few things you can do here while working with your document. You can actually look at all of the removed documents from your course, and you can also check out the different pages and see what the revisions were of those pages and if you need to restore them from a previous version. First, let's look at how to restore removed documents. They'll be shown over here, and you can go ahead and select one, and you'll see a preview of it when it was removed at that point. Now, you're not going to have access to all of the different revisions of it because it has been deleted. First thing you have to do is restore it. So we'll go ahead and restore it, and then it adds it back to our outline tree over here. And then if you'll notice here, now we have access to all of the different revisions that have been previously done to this particular document page. I'm going to go ahead and swap over to a different document page and show you something here. So I'm on this document page. You'll notice I have different revisions. We see a preview here. I can click through any of these revisions and get a quick preview of what was done to these different revisions here. If I don't quite see what I need to in the preview, if it's too small here, you can actually go ahead and click preview, get your browser window, and you'll see what it will actually look like, or what it did look like at any point, and how it will load in the browser. So you can preview it that way as well. And then at any point, if you do have a revision that you do want to go back to from the list here, you can go ahead and simply select it, click restore, make sure that you restore it to that revision date that you have selected, and then that will become the current version of that particular document page. So that's all there is to it. If you have any questions on this topic or any others while working with any of Carbon's products and services, please visit us online at www.carbon.com.